lexicographers' inability to decipher the ambiguous nature of language.
Because it says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. That's not a virtue. That's not a virtue. That's just...
Because a premise is ambiguous. And a proposition is ambiguous.
It's empathy a lot of times too, right?
Empathy. Empathy, of course. And empathy is one of those things I spend...
What I pulled... Oh, let me hear that.
And you are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? And you are the quintessential of eccentricity.
Logical, subliminal no information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example is...
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Those rejection, 1949. And at the end, I like to go, okay, on his back.
Is that just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I dropped you in deep back.
It's chilly.
Chili. He's a dog. I call him Chili Dog.